Okay, this is another one of those questions that involves us to remember that the measurements are taken from eye level, because in many problems, the angle of elevation or depression is determined from the person's eye level and not the ground. Every one of the questions was always from down here somewhere looking up. Notice this is from this guy's eyes right to the eye level of his wife. So if you read this, a man is standing 12 feet from the wall. So he's from here to here is 12 feet away. Okay, that's how far he is. And we'll put down feet here. 12 feet away. Now, he's also looking up at his wife at an angle of elevation of 62 degrees. There's the 62 degrees there. If he is exactly 6 feet, like his eyes right here to here is 6 feet off the ground, 6.0 feet off the ground, and his wife's eyes from here to the top of the building is 5.2 feet. The question is then, how tall is the building from here to here? Well, wait a second. We have this height from here to here, that's fine, which is 5.2 feet. We have this height from here to here, which we know is 6 feet. The only thing that we really need to calculate is this height right there. This height. That's the height we're after. So actually, that becomes a nice little right angle triangle, because this is our right angle. We can put our eyeballs in there. There's our hypotenuse. We're not asked to find hypotenuse. And this is 12 feet. Well, guess what? That's 12 feet from the building, whether it's at eye level or at foot level, is still 12 feet. So that's 12 feet. Let's find this height right here. So again, there's the hypotenuse. Eyeballs over here, staring at the opposite. Okay, so we got opposite and we've got, yep, adjacent. That's going to be another SOH CAH TOA question. SOH CAH TOA. And if you look, hypotenuse, you're not calculating this. So guess what? Sine is gone because it has hypotenuse in it. Cosine is also gone. That's got to be another tangent question. So tan of the angle, which is 62 degrees, equals to the opposite, which is what we're trying to find, over 12 feet. Okay, the distance the man is standing away from the building. So bring up the calculator. Right? This is going to be a nice cross multiply. 12 times 10, 62. Okay? Clear? 12 times 10, 62. Bracket, and we've got a nice measurement here of 22.56, 22.568, so 22.57. So this height here is 22.57. I don't know if you can read that. 22.57 plus the height of the wife, right? So this height here is 22.57 plus the height of the wife, which is 5.2, plus the height of the man, which is 6.0. Sum all of those together, so we can just go like this and just continue adding, because it'll take the answer and put it right there. Okay, add that to 5.2 and add that to 6 feet, and we've got a total of 33.76. And it says determine the height of the building to the nearest tenth. So 33.8, that would be a total of 33.8 feet.